Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get or copy Temu affiliate link to a specific product on your mobile app. Now to do the Temu convert link, what you need to do is first get the product. Let's say we want to get the link for this product right here. So you click on the product, you come to the top right, you click on this icon to share, then you click on copy link. And once we have this link copied, what you do is you just go back here to your home page and just search up affiliate, and this page will open up. If you haven't already, just go ahead and sign up for Temu affiliate. Go ahead and enter your Facebook group information, email information, and your account information. After you're done with that, you just come here, toggle this one, and click on next. After that, you'll be redirected to this page where you can go ahead and just paste in your Temu item link and then click on get item link, and it will convert your standard link into affiliate links that will earn you commission. After that, you can just go ahead and copy the link and share it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.